We are trying to find the value of this. That means value, we're trying to figure out what number it represents. So look at clue 1. I went on and solved clue 1 for y, and I'm going to substitute that in here everywhere there's a y. So 2xz plus y times z, which is 3 minus 2x times z, all over 2xz minus y. So I don't think this is going to work, but I'm going to simplify it while I talk. This is plus 3z minus 2xz. And the bottom is 2xz minus 3 plus 2x. So it looks like you've got a 3z in the top. And I wish there'd be a 3z in the bottom, just a 3z would equal 1, but that's not the case. There's nothing to combine in the denominator. So clue 1 does not work. All right, we'll look at clue 2. Clue 2, I'm going to do the same thing, except this time I'm going to let z be 2. So that's going to be 2x times 2 plus 2 times y all over 2x times 2 minus y. And that's not going to work. See, that's going to be 4x plus 2y over a 4x minus a y. So we can't figure out the value of that. So that doesn't work. And when you put both clues together, clue 1 and clue 2, let's start here with the results of clue 2. And if I let y be 3 minus 2x, substitute this in for y, I get 4x plus 2 times a 3 minus a 2x. And then I have a 4x minus y minus a 3 minus 2x. No, you got to keep up with these parentheses because you got a minus sign in front of two terms. And that's not going to work. I can stop now and say nothing works. Your answer is going to be E. Nothing works. If I show my work, that's 4x plus 6 minus 2x all over 4x minus 3 plus 2x. You can see how that's going to give you 2x plus 6 in the top and 6x minus 3 in the bottom. So, did I do that right? Oh, this should be a 4 here. 2 times 3 is 6. Should be a 4 right there. So those cancel, but you're still left with a 6 over a 6x minus 3. So you couldn't get the value of it even when you use both clues. So your answer is E. Nothing works.